Have you ever wondered how to naturally whiten your teeth at home? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural teeth whitening methods. These methods are not only cost-effective but also safer than chemical whitening products. They harness the power of everyday items in your pantry and fridge to help you achieve a brighter smile without the risk of damaging your enamel. So, are you ready to ditch those harsh chemicals and embrace the natural path to a whiter smile? Let's discover 7 natural ways you can whiten your teeth at home. First up, we have strawberries. These tasty fruits are more than just a sweet treat. They contain malic acid, a natural whitener for enamel, the outer layer of your teeth. Here's how you can use them. Take a couple of ripe strawberries and mash them up into a pulp. Apply this pulpy goodness directly to your teeth and let it work its magic for a few minutes. Once done, rinse your mouth thoroughly. A delicious and beneficial method for a brighter smile. Next, we have fruits and vegetables. Mother Nature's own toothbrushes, you might say. Consuming fruits and vegetables with a high water content can naturally clean your teeth. Think of the crunch of a fresh apple, the crisp bite of carrot, or the fibrous texture of celery. These aren't just delicious snacks, they're also natural tooth scrubbers, helping to keep your smile bright. So next time you reach for a snack, consider a piece of fruit or a vegetable. Healthy eating for a healthier smile. Our third method is as simple as brushing your teeth. Indeed, the act of brushing your teeth after every meal or drink can significantly help to prevent staining and discoloration. When we consume food and beverages, especially those that are dark-colored, they can leave behind particles that may stain our teeth. By brushing promptly, we can sweep away these particles before they have the chance to settle in. This practice not only promotes oral health, but also contributes to maintaining a brighter, whiter smile. An easy habit for a whiter smile. Fourth on our list is an apple cider rinse. This method utilizes the natural cleaning powers of apple cider vinegar. It's simple to use. Just dilute a small amount of apple cider vinegar with water, about a 1:2 ratio. Then, swish the solution around in your mouth for about a minute. You'll want to follow this up with a good brush to make sure all the vinegar is cleared off your teeth. The acidity of the vinegar helps to break down stains and discoloration, leading to a whiter smile, a natural rinse for a brighter smile. Our fifth method involves coconut oil. This tropical treat is more than just a cooking ingredient, it's also an effective teeth whitener. The process is simple and it's called oil pulling. Start by placing a spoonful of coconut oil into your mouth. Don't swallow it, instead, swish it around for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, it might sound like a long time, but trust me, it's worth it. Once you're done, spit it out and brush your teeth as you normally would. A tropical solution for a whiter smile. Sixth on our list is brushing your tongue. Often neglected, the tongue is a hot spot for bacteria and staining elements that can dull your smile. By brushing your tongue, you're not just improving oral health but also preventing these staining agents from transferring to your teeth. Make it a habit to brush your tongue every time you brush your teeth. Use a toothbrush with a built-in tongue cleaner or a separate tongue scraper for a thorough clean. Remember, a clean tongue contributes to a brighter smile, an overlooked method for a brighter smile. Last but not least, we have a mixture of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. This duo of common household items packs quite a punch when it comes to natural teeth whitening. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a gentle abrasive that can scrub away surface stains on your teeth. On the other hand, hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. Now, let's get into the steps. First, mix a small amount of baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. The consistency should be similar to that of your regular toothpaste. Next, apply this paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth thoroughly. Make sure to reach all corners and crevices. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Remember, consistency is key here. Regular use of this mixture can help you achieve a whiter, brighter smile over time. However, be careful not to overuse it as it can cause sensitivity. A potent mix for a dazzling smile. So, there you have it. A journey through 7 natural teeth whitening methods. We've explored the stain-removing powers of strawberries, the cleansing effects of various fruits and vegetables, the preventative measures of brushing after meals, the subtle whitening properties of apple cider rinse, the oral health benefits of coconut oil, the importance of brushing the tongue, and finally, the potent mixture of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Each method brings unique benefits to the table, contributing to a healthier, whiter smile. Try these natural methods and flash your brightest smile.